President William Ruto akoretwo akiorotwo ni ikundi cia atongoria a kiuteti na cia makanitha no ithenya-inĩ rĩa guthikiriria mateta maya agateaniria miario yao. Mutongoria wa kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka niwe wa ica ikuhi gutetia mwathanire wa President Ruto ni kuorota atongoria a makanitha aria maratetia wathani wake.
Today attacking the Catholic Church because they called you out when you gave out 5 million shillings, which was under unexplained circumstances, and as a demonstration against corruption, send 5 million shillings back to you, and you go to another religious, to another faith organization, try to make them fight the Christians in this country, whether Catholics or evangelicals and Protestants, will stand together and listen to the voice of God and will tell their faithfuls which direction to take.
Akiaria ari mwena wa Kamongo kaunti-ini ya Kitui hindi igongona ria kanitha, Kalonzo augite president abati gukorwo agikiria gukinyaniria motungata ma bata kuri muingi o ndumwe na kurungirirĩa kuria kuri na mathenya niguo muingi ugunike. Oho mubunge wa Kitui ya gatagati Makali Muru oritie thirikari gutariria uria makiria ma ciringi trilioni 1.3 iria kurerikana ciataramenyeka uria ciahuthirirwo ni thirikari kuhitukira mutambo wa IFMIS agikorwo ti kungumio ciungumitio.
I think you're just crossing the red line. It is not right. The president is a figurehead of uniting the nation, not dividing the nation along faith-based arguments.
Work of members of parliament is oversight. Kazi ya opposition pia lazima inene wakati president hajafanya kazi mzuri, si ni ukweli? Kwa hivyo Ruto, wacha kusema hatuna agenda. Agenda yenye tunaongea ni agenda ya Wakenya.
1.3 trillion Kenyan money imelipwa manually, the public debt manually, instead of going through the IFMIS wamelipa manually. So you can imagine this republic has invested billions of shillings to have a system called IFMIS.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV niĩ njĩtagwo Peter Mwangi.